Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to download Emo on iPhone. First of all, you can open the App Store on your iPhone. After opening the App Store, you can just simply go to the search option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on search at the top of the screen. You can search here Emo, and now you can see the option Emo free video calls and chat. You can just search this, and after this you will see the app Emo. I can already downloaded the app. If you cannot download it, you will see the option get. You can now tap on get and enter your Apple ID password, and after this the Emo application is starting downloading, and after a few seconds the app is downloaded on your phone. And this is the way you can download Emo on iPhone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.